Titanium is the material of choice in several fields of dentistry due to its biocompatibility, corrosion resistance, and mechanical properties. However, it is a typically hard-to-machine material, like other multi-phase alloys, which is difficult to polish as it does not abrade easily. The polishing cost is expensive, and the process is not stable enough for mass production. We are introducing the new polishing process for titanium dental pieces with DLyte Desktop Pro. The dry electro-polishing process technology, when applied to DLyte Desktop, performs automated and precise surface finishing of titanium parts. It improves the dimensional accuracy and surface quality with minimal material removal. Dry electro-polishing technology removes material from the metal surface by ion transport. The DLyte technology only acts on micro peaks of roughness, thus respecting the shape and tolerances with little mass removal. Applied pulsed current forces to the system passivate and depassivate the surface to solubilize the created oxides and catch metal ions. In case of titanium, a non-electrically conductive liquid acts as media carrier and protects the surface during the process from the oxygen present in the air. The DLyte polishing process for titanium alloy dental pieces delivers high gloss finishing, geometry preservation, and excellent uniformity and repeatability with an unbeaten cost per piece. DLyte Desktop can be easily installed and run thanks to its plug-and-play and intuitive control system, allowing technicians to focus on high-value activities. Due to its compact dimension, smooth work and affordable price, it is accessible for any company, no matter the size. DLyte, the new standard in metal polishing.